Okay, generating equivalent expressions. Okay, for example 1, rewrite 5x plus 3 and 5x minus 3 by combining like terms. Rewrite the original expression and expand each term using addition. Write what are the new expressions equivalent to. Okay, so we've got 5x plus 3x. So here if we have 5 x's and we add 3 more, how many do we have? Well, that equals which means we have 8x. If I have 5x and I subtract 3 of them, and I take 3 of them away, how many does that leave me? Well, that leaves me with 2 x's. Okay? So what we're going to learn about today is finding, adding and subtracting terms that are alike. If they are not alike, we cannot add or subtract them. So for example, terms that are like, terms that are unlike, terms that are like. Terms that are not alike. Okay. So now we need to find the sum of 2x plus 1 and 5x. First thing we do is we remove the parentheses, so 2x plus 1 plus 5x. We combine or we put together our terms that are alike. So I'm going to circle this. I'm going to circle this, circle the sign that goes in front of it. Since I don't have any more x's, next I'm going to box. I have a 1, so I'm going to now put my circles together. So I have 2x plus 5x. Now I'm going to put my plus 1. So now I can combine my like terms. I have 2 x's. I'm going to add 5 more. I have 7x plus 1. And that's as far as I can go. My next one I have negative 3a plus 2 plus 5a minus 3. So now I'm going to drop the parentheses because I have nothing in front of it. So negative 3a plus 2 plus 5a minus 3. So again, I'm going to do my circle. I'm going to circle what I have. I have negative 3a. Your sign goes with your number, 5a. Next, I'm going to box my plus 2 and minus 3. So now I'm going to bring them together. I have negative 3a plus 5a plus 2 minus 3. So now I have negative 3a plus 5 is 2a. I have positive 2 minus 3. If I do leave, change, change. I have plus 2 plus a negative 3, which is a minus 1. The sign goes with the number and is now going to start becoming our operation. The other way you can write this is a 2a plus a negative 1, which means the same thing. These two mean the same thing. Okay, next. We're going to add these two, and we're going to add them vertically this time. So we're going to put them up and down. So we've got 5a plus 3b minus 6c plus 2a minus 4b plus 13c. So here we can just add up and down. We have negative 6 plus positive 13 is a positive 7c. Positive 3 plus a negative 4 is a negative 1b. 5 plus 2 is a 7a. And that is our answer. Again, to write this vertically, we have 2x plus 3y minus 4. And now we have 5x plus 2. If you want to put a plus 0 here, you can, if you'd like. Negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2. This you can just bring down because plus 3 plus 0 is a plus 3y. 2x plus 5x is 7x. And that is your answer. So here we're going to use multiplication. Now with multiplication, you can multiply the numbers. The letter comes along for the ride. So here if we have 2x times 3, we multiply the number and we get 6x. So to multiply these, we have 3 times 2, so we have 6x. Here we have 4 times 5, which is 20y. Next, continue. We have 4 times 2 is 8, times z is 8z. Here we have 3 times 2 is 6x. Bring down our plus. 4 times 5 is 20y. Here we can put all three together by saying 3 times 2 is 6x plus 4 times 5 is 20y, and 4 times 2 is 8 times z is z. And that ends our lesson for today.